Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our live trading session at Trademy.com. Welcome back. Welcome to everybody. Good morning, Matthew. Good morning, Richard. Good morning. Hello, Jake. Hello, Amber. Eve. Welcome. Hello, Mary. Welcome back. George, we missed you. Last week we missed you. You haven't been here. Hello, Fanos. Hello, everybody. Welcome. I hope you had a nice weekend, and we are very, very close to put our first trades. Yes, Jake, we will make some ching today. We are very close to make our nice trades. Now, Friday, we closed with $4,500 our trading session, and today hopefully we will do the same. And I see already our first trades coming in. Ready, guys? Are you ready to put our first trades? Yes. We see we had a big opening over here, and we put our first trade on DAX. We go long on DAX and on Italy 40, we went long. There we go, and we are already 430 bucks in profit. We just opened our trade and we are already in profit. Let's see Italy 40. We will do the same on Italy 40. We go long on Italy 40 as well. And we have already 2 trades open. I was checking them for the last few minutes. And we have already our first trades, guys. First trades, long on Italy 40 and long on DAX. Let's put our target prices. So there we go. On DAX, my target price is 12,518 and my stop loss is 12,474. And on Italy 40, let me see Italy 40, where to put our take profit and our stop loss. Let me see. The overall trend is a downtrend on DAX and Italy 40, but we went short because we see that the trend will go a bit up and then we will go short. Hello, Dean. Hello, Patrick. Welcome back, guys. And this wonderful Monday morning, weather is great, weather is shiny. Hello, Patrick. I'm back. So let me see. We have to see where we put our take profit on Italy 40. Let me see. It's 21,066. 21,670. I will put my take profit at 21,670 and stop loss. I will put at 21,545. There we go, guys. I just modified my trades. Let me write it down. Oh, Patrick, you are down $5,000 on oil on Friday. On Thursday, you didn't close your position. You didn't have any. Why not? I told you to. However, we will analyze it. Yes, you had a quite good profit and you were waiting still for the OPEC, as I remember, right? Yeah, let me see why you didn't put any target price, any stop losses, Patrick. However, let me see. We will check it out. What will happen? As I remember, you entered at 66.50. Let me write the positions I opened, and then we will analyze oil as well. So we entered at 12,494. Our stop loss is at 12,474, and our take profit is at 12,518. This is our DAX position, and for our Italy 40 position, we are long, and we entered at 21,643. Our stop loss is at 21,545, and our take profit is at 21,670. There we go. Yes. I see Kyriakos would like to update. In the meantime, Patrick, I will have a close look on oil, and when I'm back, we will have a small chat about oil. So I'm passing to Kyriakos to give us an update about his Forex trades. Here we go.
Unmuted.
Good morning, everyone. Have a nice week ahead. I hope you have enjoyed your weekend. You have enjoyed football. And I hope all of you had a great weekend ahead. Currently, as I have posted in the chat room, we have 3 positions on Forex. We are short USD CAD at 132.95. Our stop loss is 1.3340, and our TP is at 132.37. Let us have a look on that. So as you can see on the, let me put the 15-minute chart, which is better. On the 15-minute chart, the news came out and on Friday, and a sharp rally was made on dollar CAD, but this rally did not hold. Thank you very much, Mary, for the comment. And as you can see, this advance was killed by sellers, and this made this bearish shooting star pattern here, which means that most probably dollar CAD short-term trend game is over. What do I mean by that? If we have a lower low than this candle today, we will see a sell-off on dollar CAD. If we look on the lower time frames, we see that the dollar CAD opened here, tried to go up, but the last few minutes we see the bears came in again, and in correlation with the rise in oil prices, which is a perfectly negative correlated pairs, in other words, crude oil moves in the opposite direction than dollar CAD. We saw also this bearish confirmation here, 3 black candles, and that's why we have entered a short position. Now, the good thing about dollar CAD is that it has a long way down to go. So that's why our take profit for this trade is around 60 pips and $1,315 approximately. Now, if it breaks this low, I will lower my stop loss a bit above this level. Now, let's move on to Euro Yen. Euro Yen, we have entered a long position. We have observed tweezer bottoms here. What are tweezer bottoms? We have seen 2 candles closing at the same lows, and this is an inverted hammer, which was confirmed by this candle here. So I was waiting a bit, and I have entered a long position here. Now, my stop loss for this trade is a bit lower than the inverted hammer's low and the tweezer bottom at 127.20, and our take profit is at 128.05, which is approximately at $1,540 profit. The third trade we have placed for today, and more or less it moves the same as Euro Yen, is our Euro USD. This is the 5-minute chart of Euro USD. The strange thing about Euro USD is that it has declined a bit, but here indicated indecision. This is a doji candlestick, okay? It's much less bullish than the yen. However, I liked the fact that we have observed here the so-called morning star bullish reversal pattern. What is the morning star bullish reversal pattern? We are in a decline. We see a big black candle, a doji in the middle, and eventually the price closes and recovers 50% of the black candle. As soon as I saw that, I didn't hesitate. I went long. Now, our target for the long position of euro dollar is quite high, actually. Again, around $1,570. At 170 level, I put it a bit below because the 117 level acts as a psychological round number resistance area. So these are the three trades we currently have opened in the morning in front of you. So I will keep an eye on them and update you accordingly if we have any changes regarding the stop losses. As I said, I want to clear out this level and I will move my stop loss higher on euro yen. On dollar CAD, I want dollar CAD to clear out this level and I will move my stop loss lower. And also on euro dollar, I want the price to clear out this level and then we can safely move our stop loss to a higher level. So for the moment, as you can see, we are a bit above $1,000 profit. We will keep an eye on them and we will come back with more updates. Okay, I see that Elif has placed a trade, a nice trade on gold, so I'm transferring you straight away to Elif.
Thank you, Kyriakos. So basically, our DAX position hit stop loss and closed with a loss of 450 bucks. It's okay. It's not that bad. We will follow. We will check and maybe to put another trade on DAX in the next few minutes. But however, we have just opened also a gold position. We went long on gold. Here we go. Let's have a look. There is a very nice gold pattern, long pattern, and we followed it. If you see also here on the 15-minute chart, it looks quite good, and we entered it, and we will get some money here. On Italy 40, the moment we entered, it started to drop, but I have still hopes over there to get some money out of it. We wait for it and we see what will happen here as well. So going back to oil. Oil had on Friday a huge up movement. You see over here a huge up movement. It looks like a reversal will start, but after such a big movement, what happens most of the times is that the market stays stable for a short time period. So Patrick, for a short time period, if the price range, if nothing important happens, the price range will be around 68, 69 dollars. So it will be around this price level. Be ready that this is the range it will trade in the next few days. But for today, I estimate, no, it looks like an uptrend also today. If nothing major happens, I see that it might go in the next few days, be traded in this time frame price range. So it's up to you how you want to react on it, Patrick. So, well, let's see. We had, as I said this morning, we have a down trend we see a downtrend on DAX. We went short because we wanted to grab the small movement upstairs. We were profiting, but we didn't react to close the position because it was just when we opened. But overall, I believe there is a downtrend in DAX, and I might now open a sell position on DAX. Our DAX position triggered stop loss, and I will go now short on DAX. I will go short on DAX. I'm going now short. So there we go. We went short on DAX because the reversal pattern didn't follow. As you see, it hit the level in which it was, it is turning back and turned back, and now it's going back. I see gold is making money right now. Gold is making right now $500, and our gold, ching ching, our gold hit. Take profit, guys. Ching ching. We made on gold $1,800, guys. We made on gold $1,800 within 7 minutes. It's not bad, guys. We hit take profit on gold and we made $1,800. Is this good? I'm glad. I'm happy, guys. What about you, Mary? You went with me on gold. You have the same take profit as I did or not? Let's see. Wow, a wonderful, wonderful up movement. You say you closed just 2K. That's great. That's great. A wonderful movement. Wonderful. Let's see if we can put maybe another one on gold. Let's see the other trades. Let's see if we can. DAX is also right now in profit. Yes, Mary, DAX is in profit. Okay. Let me see. Maybe on gold we can put another one trend. Let me see. Yes, guys, I will go again on gold and get a bit more money out of gold. I will go again, buy on gold. I bought again gold. Let me see. There we go. We bought gold, and I will put my take profit again, not very high. I will put it at 1,270. And my stop loss I will put at 1,264. There we go. There we go. I put again. And now on gold, on DAX, it's still without a take profit and a stop loss. Let me see. Yes, we put it also here. There we go. We put a take profit and a stop loss. We put the take profit on. Oh, go. No. Let me see. Gold position. Where is gold? Gold. Not to hit so fast. Gold. Oh, it hit already. Also, gold hit again. We put our take profit quite tight. We put it. We made another $130 on gold. DAX is also quite good, going with $550. Let me see if I should open another one on gold. On gold, I'm thinking to open another one position on gold. I go again long on gold. So over here, I will aim for a bit more profit. I go for 1,271. Yes, 1,271, and my stop loss is at 1,264 again. There we go. And let me see. Let me see. Yes, it's getting there. It's getting there. This is a great day. We had a great start. We are making right now money on DAX and on gold. On DAX, let me put it down. It's going so fast that we didn't even manage to write our trades down. DAX, we are short on DAX. We are short on DAX, and we entered at 12,468, and our stop loss is at 12,475. Our take profit is at 12,430, and we are again long on gold. Gold key started very nicely in the day. We started at 1,270. Our stop loss is at 1,264, and our take profit is at 1,264. 71. Yes, Mary, you took again gold with me. This is good. Let's see. DAX position, if we should close our DAX position already. Let me see. What do you think, guys? No, I will leave it a bit open to get at least my 600 bucks out of it, and then I will close it. Let me see. I'm aiming my 600 bucks on DAX so I can close it. So good morning, Sassis. Good morning. Welcome back from Russia. So, Sassy, we made some gold trades this morning, and we made until now 1,500 bucks. I hope you had the chance to enter with us also gold. Right now, we opened another gold position and waiting for is giving us some profits. We have also opened a DAX position, which is making right now $300. And we have an Italy 40 position open, which is struggling, but it will get there. So we are quite positive. If you entered now, you still can get with us in gold, Sassy, because gold is right now still working on the spread. So it's still okay to enter with me gold. I see on, let's have a look on Italy 40 if we need to react on it, what we can do. No, I will leave it a bit more open. I will leave Italy 40 open. It will get there. I'm not worried about it. On DAX, I'm preferring a move. Okay, I see Kyriakos has some updates. I'm passing to Kyriakos, and if I have any updates, I will jump into the conversation, guys. So have fun with Kyriakos.
Thank you very much, Elif, for the pass. Let us quickly update what we have done in Forex today. As you can see, we have currently 3 open positions. Let me repeat why I have opened these 3 positions on Forex based on academic and theoretical technical analysis concepts. As you can see, no, Sebastian, I'm an Apoel fan. Do you know Apoel? Of course. So, based on technical analysis concepts, if we see a decline, this is called a bullish reversal pattern and it's called a morning star. Now, what is a morning star? We see a big bearish candle, then a doji in the middle, and then the next 1 or 2 candles cover completely the body of the first bearish candle. So this is a bullish reversal pattern, and that's why we have entered long positions on euro dollar, targeting to go higher approximately at around 117 area. That's why my take profit is a bit lower than the 117 level at 1.1697, because round numbers, As you people know, if you have watched our courses, we never take profits and stop losses at round numbers because they act as psychological support and resistance levels. Now, euro yen. Euro yen is even more bullish, the pattern, than euro dollar. Here I observe the so-called inverted hammer. Inverted hammer. What is that? After a decline, this is an inverted hammer and a tweezer bottom. Now, an inverted hammer is like a shooting star, but is observed at bottoms. Also, here we have the so-called tweezer bottoms, is when we have a decline, and the lows of these two candles are at exactly the same level. And that's why upon covering 50% of the body of this candle, I have decided to enter the long position on euro yen here, and my target is at 128.05. This trade is currently making us around $900, and all three trades together are currently making us around $1,800. However, we will patiently wait for our targets to be hit. Now, on euro yen, I said in the previous connection we had that if it closes above this level, I will move my stop loss higher. So I'm patiently waiting in the next 5 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close above this level. If it does, I will move my stop loss and I will post the new stop loss levels in the chat, so bear with me, please. The same for euro dollar. If euro dollar closes above this level, again, I will move my stop loss. I will not keep it there. I will move it above. So stay with me as well. Now, on dollar CAD hasn't made a significant move. Now, why I have shorted dollar CAD? If we have a look on the daily chart, this is a shooting star. It was which is not yet confirmed, but the bearishness level of this shooting star is great since it has covered completely the previous 2 days. So I didn't wait for confirmation. Why? Because I have observed this sell-off here. This sell-off here initiated my short positions for dollar CAD. Now, as I said previously, if I see a close below this low, of course, I will move my stop loss much lower or even take some profits, lock some profits. Our target for today for dollar CAD is at 132.37 price level, is in the money, so I will keep an eye on it and see what we do. Now, I received a question regarding the Turkish lira after the elections. I think, Mary, based on fundamentals and based on how the European Union is assessing Erdogan's policy to interfere with the central bank's interest rates, I believe these are not good news for the Turkish lira. So I expect in the short term and medium term to devaluate even more versus the dollar and the euro, Mary. So fundamentally, we are waiting a worsened devaluation of the Turkish lira. So that's all basically from Forex. In approximately 2 minutes, we will start decreasing our stop losses since most probably the euro dollar will close on the 15-minute basis above this level. The same for euro yen. And we will monitor also dollar CAD and update you regarding any developments we have. Elif, you have an update? Okay, I'm transferring you now to Elif. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome back. So our Italy 40 position decreased the losses. We are back to a normal environment on Italy 40, and I'm expecting over there further drop on the loss. So on the other hand, on DAX and on gold, we are in profit. And I'm expecting here a bit more profits. That's why I'm not closing them. I'm aiming on DAX a profit of at least $600. So we cover our loss of our first stop loss, which got triggered in the morning. And that's why the trade is still open. And gold has a very strong uptrend. That's why we go long, we close positions to secure our profits, and then open another one and open another one without exposing our margin too high. So over here we are going very well. Let's have a quick look at other indices. So starting with Italy 40, we have Italy 40. We told them the process is developing quite good. On France 40, we see a very narrow trading range, not much to do, very boring, nothing to get here, so not interesting for me. UK, looks interesting. UK 100. UK 100 looks interesting, although there is not a clear trading opportunity right now. There is not a clear trading opportunity, but it has at least, you know, last week we were seeing UK 100 all the time in a very narrow trading range, and we kept away from it. And now I see a quite clear downtrend. It opened with a gap this morning, and the downtrend continues. So it looks interesting, although right now there is not a good entry level. So we will keep it on our watch list. UK 100, USA 100, the same boring sidewards movement. Yeah, the US indices, they don't look very interesting this morning. Maybe later on in the afternoon when New York wakes up. Nikkei, Nikkei looks interesting. Guys, I will open. I see over here. Let's go for on the daily chart. You see, it opened with a huge gap, with a huge drop this morning, and has a clear downtrend. And also on the short-term window, if you look at on the short-term window, the downtrend is very clear. So that's why I will enter right now. Also, I will go short on Nikkei. There we go. Oh, why it doesn't let me? For the last 2 minutes, we haven't get a tick. That's why I guess I don't. Maybe now. Yes, now we open a trade, a sell position on Nikkei. And let's see where we will put our take profit and our stop loss. I think I will put my take profit on 22,199. This is my take profit, 22,199, and my stop loss is at 22,399. So this is my trading range which I'm aiming, and I just put I just modified my trades. Let me see, I will write it down. We went short on Japan 225 at 22,301, and our stop loss is at 22,399, and our take profit is at 22,199. Nice numbers, nice numbers. So going back, Australia 200. Looks interesting. I will open a long position on Australia 200 because we see it opened with a gap and it's aiming right now the closing price of Friday. So I see also from my indicators, it shows me a long position. Yes, we go long. Yes, we go long on Australia 200. We are on now. Okay, we need to wait for our next tick. Gold, we have a gold position, a very strong uptrend. You see it over here, and I believe the uptrend will continue, and we are profiting on gold. Once we reach our target price, we will close, and most probably this might be the last position for now on gold. Once we get our profit out of here. Let's see what is silver doing. Silver turns to go down slowly. Maybe let's keep it on. Maybe we will go short. After we close our gold position, we will go short on silver. Oil, yeah, we discussed oil. That on Thursday, we had this OPEC meeting. On Friday, it had a huge price increase, as you can see. And at the moment, I'm expecting a price movement around 68, 66, 67, 68 and 67 in this price range. I'm expecting the price to move throughout the day today. So I will not really trade on oil because I don't see a big movement expecting here, not possibilities to get some money. Let's go back to our DAX position to see if we can do something. It's right now a bit recovering. Guys, I'm thinking to increase my exposure on DAX. I'm short on DAX, as you know, and now it's going a bit up. And when I will put a sell limit, guys, I'm putting a sell limit on DAX. There we go, and sell limit, we're here. So I will put a sell limit when the price is at 12,469, because I believe from that point it will start turning back again. Yes, this is what I will do. Let me see. Yes, I'll put a sell limit on DAX, and by doing this, I'm increasing my exposure. So this is a good move. Once the price goes up, because I'm clear about the trend is a downtrend, and right now it's just a bit recovering, and as you see, the price is coming close to my sell limit, and once it hits, it will start to go back downwards. That's why I put over there. Yes, our sell limit got triggered. our sell limit got triggered, and I'm expecting in a short while the downtrend to continue. So then we have two positions open on DAX. Let's modify also our stop loss and take profits. I'm expecting, let me see, at 12,475 is my stop loss, and my take profit is at 12,430. Yes, this is what I'm going for. Let me see, just modified, and let's see. Already our second position is in profit as expected. It started to turn. Let's go back to our Italy 40 position to see if we need to react on it. Let me see, guys. We are long on Italy 40. We put our take profit limit on the support level of last week. It ended up in a trading range. The stop loss I put a bit higher than the day low. It will get there. It will get there. But here I can't aim for a big profit. This is clear. This is clear. It's struggling a bit. Let's see. Let's see. It might take a bit longer than I expected it, but it's okay, guys. It's okay. So I see that Kyriakos is actively putting some trades. Let me pass to Kyriakos to see how it's going and if he has any updates for you.
So welcome back to the Forex trading desk of Trademy. This is Kyriakos Harilaou talking. Basically, I have decided to increase my exposure on euro dollar, on dollar CAD, and on euro yen. So I have entered a second long position on euro dollar at current market price. Also, I have entered a second long position at current market price for euro yen. I have moved my stop losses on all pairs, so I will put my euro yen stop loss at the new level, which is at 127.30. My take profits for all the trades remain the same. Now, these are winning trades, guys. That's why I have decided to increase my exposure, since I have limited my stop loss for these trades. And now I will check if I can put my stop loss even higher. As soon as I see a close above this level here, I will drag my stop loss even higher, and maybe I open some more positions. The same on dollar CAD. I have entered a short position on dollar CAD, and I have moved down my stop loss from 133.40 down to 1.3315, as you can see, for both trades. So currently we have 6 lots short dollar CAD, we have 6 lots long euro dollar, we have 6 lots long euro yen. Now I repeat, the reason I have built up more positions is because I have winning positions and I'm managing my trades accordingly. I have lowered my risk, so this allowed me to open some more positions. So for dollar CAD, our new stop loss now is at 1.3315 for both trades, and our target, of course, remains at 1.3237. For euro dollar, we have opened a second position long. Our stop loss was moved a bit higher, so I will move it at 1.1632 as well for the old position. So both positions now have a stop loss at 1.1632, aiming to go higher, of course, at around 1.17. And for euro yen, again, we have moved our stop loss higher from 127.20, we have moved it for both trades at 127.30. Our target for both trades is, of course, 128.05. I will just put a mark so that I remember, and this is a very nice technique for you to do it as well. So we see that the euro dollar, if the euro dollar breaks above this level now, if we have a 15-minute candle above the opening basically of the day, then I will lock some more profits. For euro yen, if we have a close above this top here, this minor top, I will move my stop loss higher to lock some profits and even open even some more positions. And for dollar CAD, we didn't have a break below this level yet, which is the lows of the day. If this occurs, we will move our stop loss even lower or even open some more trades. So to sum up, we have 6 lots short dollar CAD at 132.95 and at 1.3284. We have 6 lots long euro dollar at 116.61 and 116.45, and also we have 6 lots long euro yen at 127.70, it's the second position, and at 127.49 was the first position. So far, currently we are in profit. Some of them are losing, some of them are winning. The trend for me is very bullish today, so we have a high probability chance of getting these trades and making some real money from these trades. The total profits from these trades, if we do well, are around $6,000 to $8,000, and we are risking around $2,000 to $3,500. So always our risk reward ratios are efficient, so we have nothing to be afraid. Even if we lose the trades, we can easily recover with a winning session in the afternoon. So that's all we have for the moment. I repeat that I have opened second positions on dollar CAD short, on euro dollar and euro yen long. So that's all from me. Currently we are patiently waiting for the market to move in our direction. I will have a change in the stop losses if I see penetration upward on a closing basis of this level on euro dollar of the level of 1.1671. I will have a move of stop loss again to lock some profits if I have a close above this level here at 127.88 on euro yen, and of course we will have a move of stop loss if I have a close below this level on dollar CAD. So for the moment we are patiently waiting for the trades to develop. Remember, patience, discipline and money management are the key factors to be a successful trader. All right, that's the Forex update for the moment. Looking at the news, don't forget to visit our website, our partner's website at forexlive.com. forexlive.com. This is where we monitor all the news, all the important announcements, anything that it will have an impact on the Forex pairs. Just a quick update of what news will be out there today, if we have any news. So the page is loading. So I'm waiting for the page to load. All right, so today is Monday. Let me check if I have anything important. We basically have new home sales at 2 o'clock in the afternoon UTC time. Not important news for the moment affecting the FX pairs. On Tuesday, we have some speeches regarding the pound at 9:30 and nothing important. On Wednesday, we have the Bank of England's governor speech at 8:30. This will cause some volatility in the markets. So for the moment, and some durable goods orders for the US dollars at 12:30. So that's far away from us today. So today is Monday. We don't expect any important announcement to come in from the news. Also, don't forget to visit our website at trademy.com. As here at Trademy, we believe that education is the is the king source of successful traders. Please feel free to visit our website, contact our educational support team. They will be more than glad to evaluate your skills, your trading tactics, and your knowledge in terms of technical analysis level, and they can assist you in choosing the best value training program for you. Remember that the training programs that we currently offer are for all traders, and for the newbies, and for the rookies, and for the experienced traders. It doesn't necessarily mean that has to be the most expensive package. It's based on what your needs are. So don't forget to visit our website, trademy.com, and I believe you will get great value for money there. So I don't know if Elif has any updates. Elif, you have an update. Okay, I'm transferring you now to Elif. If I have any updates, I will update you accordingly in the chat room. Stay with us.
Thank you, Kyriakos. So, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. The indices are back. So, we have, as you know, 2 positions open on DAX. One Italy 40 position and 1 gold position, and 1 Nikkei 225 position. And I see that our DAX position is going strongly in our direction, and I'm thinking if we should lock some profits. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Shall we lock some profits? Shall we close our position and lock some profits? We have 2 positions open on DAX. The one is making right now $450, and the other one is making $240. Shall we close it? Maybe the first one is saying George, and Richard says yes. Let me have a look a bit closer. No, I will keep it a bit more open. I'm aiming at least $600 on the one, and we are getting there now. We are at 550. So we are at 560. George, what do you think? Now I will yes, I see it on the indicators that we can still get a bit more, and this is what I'm looking for. Yes, we are above 600, 640. Yes, we can get a bit more. We can get a bit more, and why to close it when we see that we can get a bit more on it, right, guys? So I'm seeing still a bit more potential here. 650. That's good. That's good. This is what we want. That's how we want it. If I get into, yes, there we go, guys. There we go. Our ching ching is very close. We are close to ching ching. That's $800, 830, 800, 800. Ching ching. The first position closed. 2 positions close. Boom, boom, ching ching. Yes, we closed. We closed on DAX 450 on 1 position, 880 on 2 positions. Guys, this is the magic of technical analysis. We see that there is a potential, and we left it, and we got the money. This is how it should be. Great. And we closed until now a profit of $2,855, guys. $2,855 for the morning session. It's a good thing. Ching ching, we made it. That's the way we like it. Guys, let me see if I can get another $200 in from DAX or from thing to get around $3,000. What do you think? Shall we try it? Our aim is $3,000. What do you think? Shall we go for it? Let me see. Yes, George, why not, right? Let me see. If I find a good way to enter, we go for it. We go for it. DAX is still going quite. Let me see if how I Italy. Guy, I will go again on DAX. I will short DAX again. I'm shorting DAX, and once it is giving me the money I'm looking for, I will close the position. And there we go. There we go. There we go. Let me see. There we go. So yeah, once it's giving me the money I want, I will close it to get my $3,000 in the pocket today. This morning, I want my $3,000 this morning on DAX. So I will be happy. I will be happy. So I went again short on DAX, and I entered at 1,200 for 12,420, and my stop loss is at 12,000. There we go, 12,446, and my take profit is at 12,401. Let me see, it will get there. So what's happening with Italy 40? Italy 40 is trading in a very narrow range, and shortly it will start to turn and give us the profits we are looking for shortly. But currently it's making us a small loss. We will cover it. Gold is also not. Gold had a big movement this morning, and now it's a bit slowing down, but this is normal after such a move, and most of the times the move continues in this direction. That's why I have this position still open, and I see also from the indicators that still an uptrend is available. So that's why I stick on my gold position. Japan 225 is not really moving. It's giving us some profits, but not as fast as we like a move. It's okay. And we see, but guys, we have incredible $2,855 this morning on DAX and gold. We hit also one stop loss this morning. However, we are making profits, and this is what we really enjoy, right, guys? Right. So I'm waiting now my positions to turn in my direction so I can close a small profit. But for you guys, as I said, we had a great start in the morning with incredible $2,800 within 1 hour of trading. It's a good start, and we will continue with profits throughout the day today. Stay online to get updates how our trades are developing and what we do. We will have also some webinars running throughout the session. And if you have any kind of question, do not hesitate to contact us. We will reply on them. We are on top of it. We are here. And let me see if Kyriakos has any kind of updates. No, he doesn't. He sticks on his positions. As you said, we have some nice ching-ching moments this morning. Now we are waiting for next possibilities to get our money, and we see what we will do. So guys, if you don't have any questions, let me see. Look, what's going on here? No, I will leave it open. So we will update you on Twitter, on Facebook, and here on chat about our trades. Furthermore, as you know, on YouTube, you can always see our sessions. So in case that you didn't have the chance to watch or to catch up with some trades, you will find them also on YouTube. So subscribe our channel on YouTube, follow us on Twitter, and also let's be friends on Facebook, so you are always up to date what's going on over here. So we will continue with a small webinar, and then we will be back here. So until then, have a nice afternoon and a nice morning, and we see you getting there. What's going on? Getting there? Let me see. No, not yet. And we will talk in a short while again, guys. So have a nice day. See you later. Bye-bye. Welcome to our webinar, How to Use Trading Strategies in Real Environment. In this webinar, we will learn how to use trading strategies in real environment. We will get to know the key aspects of trading, the top 3 trading strategies, and how to implement them. You may have heard that maintaining your discipline is a key aspect of trading. While this is true, how can you ensure you enforce that discipline when you are in a trade? One way to help is to have a trading strategy that you can stick to. If it is well reasoned and back-tested, you can be confident that you are using one of the successful Forex trading strategies. That confidence will make it easier to follow the rules of your strategy, therefore to maintain your discipline. A lot of the time when people talk about Forex strategies, they are talking about a specific trading method that is usually just one facet of a complete trading plan. A consistent Forex trading strategy provides advantages, entry signals, but it's also vital to consider position sizing, risk management, and how to exit a trade. When it comes to what the best Forex trading strategy is, there really no one sick answer. The best Forex strategy will be suited to the individual. This means you need to consider your personality and work out the best Forex strategy to suit you. What may work very nicely for someone may be a disaster for you. Also, a strategy that has been discounted by others may turn out to be the right for you. Therefore, experimentation may be required to discover the Forex trading strategy that works for you. And it can remove those that don't work for you. The following are some trading styles from short-term time frames to long, which have been widely used by traders: scalping, day trading, reverse trading. Let's have a look first on scalping. These are very short-lived trades, possibly held just for a few minutes. A scalper seeks to quickly beat the bid spread and skim just a few points of profit before closing. When using a scalping strategy, traders usually expect a gain between 5 to 10 pips per trade. 1 minute Forex scalping strategy is a simple strategy for beginners that has been gained popularity. How this strategy works? For starters, set your chart time frame to 1 minute. Now, make sure these two indicators are applied to your chart. Exponential moving average with the periods of 150 and stochastic oscillator with periods of 5, 3, and 3. Now you have applied the indicators and your chart looks clear. Let's review the signals required for opening short and long positions using the simple Forex scalping technique. For long orders, anytime a EMA 50 indicator surpasses a EMA 100 indicator, be ready to open a long position. If the price at which you plan to fill the order is close to the EMA indicator and the stochastic rise above the 20 level, open a long position. This you can see here on the screen. The green line is the EMA 50 and the red line is the EMA 100. Short orders. To determine when to make a short order, use the same strategy indicators in reverse. The 50 EMA indicator should be below EMA 100 and the spot rate should be close to these lines. The stochastic should fall below 80% level. This strategy is very interesting on major pairs during openings. Day trading. Intraday trading is a set of Forex day trading strategies that demand opening and closing trades on the same day. Considering that markets can only move so far within a day, intraday traders use relatively riskier trading techniques to accumulate their desired profits. Day trading Forex strategies are more action-packed and require traders to be present at the trading station throughout the trade. The two factors that day traders can do without are volatility and liquidity. Volatility is the magnitude of the movement. When trading short-term, solid volatility is a must. Since volatility is session-dependent, knowing when to trade is as important as knowing what to trade. Liquidity is equally important. Intraday trading is very precise. A long-term trader can afford to throw in 10 pips here and cut 10 pips there. A short-term trader can't, because 10 pips could be the whole profit projected for a trade. This precision in Forex comes from the trader's skill.
of course, but rich liquidity is important too. If there is no liquidity, the orders will simply not close at the desired price, no matter how good the trader is. Reverse trading. Reverse trading is also known as pullback trading or counter-trend trading. The risk comes from the basic principle of trading against the trend. A reverse trader has to be able to identify potential pullbacks with high probability, as well as to be able to predict their strength. It does require a lot of market knowledge and practice. Daily pivot strategy can be considered a special case of reverse trading strategy, as it specializes in trading the daily low and daily high pullbacks reverse. A trader truly focused on trading pullbacks must learn discipline and patience, because trading pullbacks means you aren't just entering wherever and whenever you want. It means you are held accountable to a set of planned scenarios that you have defined in your trading plan and that you wait and watch for in the market. Conclusion. A typical Forex trading strategy includes some form of analysis, which traders use when deciding whether to buy or sell an asset. Traders normally incorporate several of these signals into their trading strategy. Those looking to develop an effective Forex trading strategy can potentially rely on a pre-existing strategy or build their own. Either way, diligence is crucial. To cultivate your own unique and efficient Forex trading strategy, consider key variables: your desired risk-reward ratio, your tolerance for stress, how much time per day you want to spend trading. Most importantly, only use techniques you fully understand and never stop improving your strategy. Thank you for listening.
Hello and welcome to this training session, educational session. My name is Kyriakos Karelau, and today this is session 1 of practical analysis, practical technical analysis and trading psychology. So welcome to this educational seminar, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So let's start. By the end of this chapter, you should be able to understand the content and meaning of the golden triangle of success. For every trader to be successful, he needs to have 3 components in his mind, which he should follow at all times. So all successful traders have managed to correctly manipulate to their favor these 3 components, and this is exactly what we are going to do today. The second thing that we will do is for you to understand and implement under live trading conditions the steps for performing technical analysis on FX charts, and we will concentrate to short-term and intraday trading purposes. Now, the golden triangle of success. Many traders keep asking me, what do I need to become a trader? And why I'm not a successful trader, why I fail, or why can I do this as a part-time job? Can I be a full-time trader? Doesn't make any difference. Well, in this session, we will answer all these questions. The first thing that you need to have when you want to become a trader is to have a trading system. And when we say have a trading system, it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be a trading system that someone else's who is successful is following you. It's very crucial to understand that each one of you is different from the person sitting next to you. So make sure the trading system that you will develop best suits your trading profile. And what do I mean by that? There are traders that push the button, make a trade, make an investment, and they don't place a stop loss. But these traders have a big equity to manage. And they call it long-term trading. Another trader may be a trader who scalps, 7, 8 pips on Forex and closes a position. For you, for example, the best trading strategy can be intraday trade, to go for 25, 30 pips, or even short-term trading, to go for 200 pips. So there are so many strategies. So the first step for you is to decide what type of trading, what type of strategy best suits you, your needs, based on your time availability, based on your capital or investment availability. As soon as you decide on which system, on which strategy best suits you, then the second step is to visually test it on a chart using historic charts. So as soon as you define the parameters of your trading strategy, go back and test it visually or back test it if you develop a trading algorithm. As soon as you believe that it's okay, there is something very important that we need to say here. It doesn't mean that if you backtest something on a demo account, it will work the same in live. The main reason for that is because demo feeds differ substantially from live trading prices. So if, for example, you see on your backtest that your stop loss was not hit by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pips, usually that's not the case with a live trading account. So don't get overexcited if the demo backtest works. Usually you need to discount the results of the backtesting on a demo account, usually discounted by 20 to 30%. So as soon as you visually test it on a chart, try to run a demo for at least 3 months. For at least 3 months. Why 3 months? Because during the current market conditions, these 3 months will reveal all of the possible scenarios and all the possible accidents in brackets that can happen while trading. And if this is okay and you're satisfied with the results, you can go to a live account. But here, be careful. My advice is not to make a big investment here. You can start with a smaller account, for example, $10,000, and your leverage on that should be very small. Let's say half of your account size, 0.05, that's 5,000 position. Now, why is that? Because as I have mentioned before, demo results with live results sometimes differ substantially. So we don't want you to get your account burned. So go easy with the first live. And as soon as you go live, you need to test your system for at least 500 trading positions. So as soon as you place 500 trades and you believe and you see the actual live results at work, then you can go and deposit more capital. So this is the first component of a successful trading, the trading system. However, that if you have a system by its own, most probably you will lose money in the markets. The second important component of being a successful trader is based on psychology. When you are trading, you need to make sure that you don't have any distractions, physical and mental, when you trade. So for example, if you have a quarrel with your wife or your husband and you are emotionally not okay, don't trade. Because if you are under emotional bias, you will make mistakes. Control your emotions. No emotional trading. And this is in capital letters because it's very important. Don't get overexcited over a winning trade. Don't feel disappointed when a losing strike occurs. Don't expect to have a system that it is 100% correct. Personally, my system gave 20 consecutive losing trades when I first tested. 20 consecutive losing trades, but I didn't get disappointed. I continued, and then I got a profit. So stick to your system. Follow your psychology. It is absolutely fine not to trade every day. Nobody's forcing you. It's your money, it's your account, it's your schedule. It's not. We don't force you. Nobody is forcing you to trade every day. And it is highly advisable to take a break from trading to clear up your head. It's not a wise thing to sit in front of the screen for 8 hours. It kills you psychologically. So take a break, go out, take a coffee, come back. If you trade in order to make a living and for survival purposes, then don't trade. Make sure you have enough capital to survive for at least 2 years. So as soon as you sit in front of the screen, you say, oh my God, I have expenses, I have kids, I have loan installments, and I must make 2,000 euros this month from trading in order to survive, then I guarantee you will lose before you even start. So it is very important that when you trade, your psychology and emotions are in harmony. When you trade, make sure you can survive for the next 2 years at least, before you start making a decent income out of trading. And the third component, and equally important with the other two, is called money and risk management. Now, this is where most people get it wrong. When I say money and risk management, I mean to set up clear risk management rules. No if one and if two and hypotheses. Set them from the beginning straight away. Calculation of risk per trade or capital drawdown per trade. So many people are pushing the button and they don't know what their monetary risk is. If I hit stop loss, how much I will lose? That's absolutely not acceptable. You need to make sure that you know all these things. And third is stick to the rules and never ignore them. As soon as you set up your rules, stick to them. Because if you ignore them, it's a matter of time to burn your account. A good trading system can make you money. A good risk management policy can create immense wealth. So if you have a good trading system, but you don't follow your risk management rules, maybe your system has 90% success rate. But that 10%, if you don't follow a proper risk management rules, it will burn your account. So what are the steps for performing technical analysis on FX charts for short-term and intraday trading purposes? Professional traders adopt the so-called 3 time frames methodology. You need to decide what your big picture chart will be, what the directional analysis chart will be, and what the signal time frame will be. Recommended but not a must formats are listed and demonstrated below. For short-term trading, the big picture chart, and I will explain why, what do I mean by big picture, is the weekly chart. The directional movement chart is the daily or the 4-hour chart, and the signal chart is the 1-hour chart. For intraday trading, again, this is my recommendation, it's not compulsory, you can adjust the time frames as you wish. So for intraday trading, the big picture chart is the 4 hours or 2 hours chart, if available on your MT4. The directional movement chart is 1 hour or 30 minutes chart, and the signal chart is 15 minutes or 5 minutes chart. Now, what do we mean by big picture, directional movement, and signal chart? Big picture chart. We never trade this chart. It is just needed to identify the general direction of the markets, to have an overview of what is going on for the past few days. The directional movement chart now, this is the most important chart for you. We identify the current trend here. If the trend now matches our big picture chart, that's even better, and we strongly prefer it, but not a must nor compulsory. From this chart, we will determine also the exit levels of our trading decision. So the directional movement chart is to decide whether we are going to go long or short, and we're also going to decide what our stop loss and take profit levels will be. So the direction of the market and the exit levels of your trade, of your investment, will be determined by the directional movement chart. The signal chart, we will identify our entry level price or time of our trade investment. So the signal chart will tell us when to enter, the exact price that we will enter the market. So just to sum up, the big picture, we never trade it, we just get the bigger trend. The directional movement chart is better to confirm the trend of the big picture, but not a must. And here we identify the current trend and the exit levels of our positions. And from the signal chart, we identify the entry level, the exact time that we will push the button, the entry level for our trade or investment. Once you choose your preferable trading time frame, then you need to perform the following procedures as listed below. And this is a classic flow of process that I'm personally following when I'm making trading decisions. I identify the trend of the big picture chart and mark the major Fibonacci retracement levels, 38, 50, and 61.8%, if you observe an uptrend or a downtrend. If the big picture is in an uptrend, then you need to go to your directional movement chart and check if the trend matched the big picture chart. Because as I said, I prefer the two trends to be matched, the directional movement trend with the big picture chart's trend. If yes, then you need to perform the following analysis in steps. Step number one, you need to perform a trend analysis, trend lines, supported resistance levels, identify any price patterns, and look for trend confirmation signals at their majority. What do I mean here? You don't need to have 100% consensus. Usually anything above 60% consensus, it's fine. Then you need to perform moving average analysis. You need to check for bullish trend confirmation signals, for example, a bullish cross of moving averages. And number three, you need to perform oscillators analysis. Check for bullish momentum acceleration confirmation signals and or possible momentum weakening signals, i.e. divergences. Now, if the directional movement confirms the big picture chart, then switch to the signal chart and number one, draw and mark Fibo 50 and 61.8% retracement levels of the last move of the directional movement chart. Number two, look for oversold conditions on oscillators, RSI, MACD, etc. Three, wait for a bullish pattern to complete, a failure swing, a candlestick pattern. Four, once point 3 is observed, then you can enter a long position. Remember that we are trading. The most important thing that you need to remember is this one. We don't trade the moving averages in the oscillators. You need to wait always for a confirmation by the price. So once we receive a confirmation by the price, then we can enter our long position. And as soon as you do that, you need to place your TP and stop loss orders. Prefer reward to risk ratio at least 1.5 times to 1. Now 5 is as equal as important as 4, because entering the markets, anyone can do it. You just push the button. The biggest problem of the traders is not to enter the markets, is when to exit the markets. So for me personally, what I have observed in traders that I have trained the past 10, 15 years, they enter the market, and they don't place a stop loss or a take profit, or they place only a stop loss and they don't place a take profit. For me, that's very wrong to do. Why? If you don't place a stop loss, it means that your capital is at risk. If you don't place a take profit, it means that you actually don't know what you are doing. You haven't made a strategic analysis of your trade. You must always put in both directions your exit levels. That's very important. And as you can see, the opposite scenario, the opposite process goes for a downtrend. So if the big picture is a downtrend, you need to go to your directional movement chart and check if the trend matches the big picture. If yes, again, you need to perform trend analysis, moving average analysis, oscillator analysis. And if the directional movement confirms the big picture chart trend, then you need to switch to the signal chart, draw your Fibonacci retracement levels of the last move at 50 and 61.8. Now here we are looking for overbought conditions, not oversold, overbought conditions in the downtrends on oscillators, and then we need to wait for the price pattern to confirm us our short trend. And once we see this confirmation, our point number 4, we can take a short position. And again, we need to place our stop loss to take profit orders 1.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio. And this is the end of this session. Thank you very much for watching. And I will see you again in session number 2 of practical and technical analysis and trading psychology. Thank you.
Okay, guys, welcome back again. So we are currently watching euro-dollar trade. Currently our profits are approximately a bit more than $4,000. We have entered a third trade on euro-dollar and on euro-yen, as you can see here. Both trades are doing okay. Euro-yen has marginally hit our take profit, so what I will do, I will start looking up some profits on euro-yen first. So let's close them all, guys. That's $4,000. It's $4,000. It's even more than $4,000. That's 4,000 something dollars. I'm closing everything that is profitable on the pairs. That's around $4,500 of profit on euro-dollar and euro-yen. So that's $4,500 profit on euro-dollar and euro-yen pairs. And we are left only with dollar CAD trades for the afternoon session. Not bad at all, guys. I repeat, $4,500 on euro-yen and euro-dollar. And now we are only left with our dollar CAD short position trades. What I will do, I like this decline. Thus, I will change my stop loss again back to 133.20 for all my trades. 133.20, and I will cancel the sell limit order that I have, the third sell limit order that I have just placed a while ago. So as we can see here, we have made on euro-dollar and euro-yen 1,115 plus 875 plus 756 plus 615 plus 550 plus 255. That's $4,165, guys. $4,165. So we are monitoring now dollar CAD, and if I have any updates, I will let you know. Don't forget that our live afternoon session will start at 1 o'clock UTC time. That is in approximately 45 minutes from now. Thank you. So hello everyone. Can you hear me well? Okay. So just an FX update of what happened today. Let's start from our closing positions. We are in the pleasant situation to announce that we have realized $4,160 from our long positions on Euro Yen and Euro Dollar. And now we have continued our trading day, and let me brief you up what we have done. As we can see, I have classified here the trades by symbol. We have entered the short position on dollar CHF, and the main reason I have entered the short position is because I have observed a double top on the 15-minute chart. This is the first top, this is the second top, and here we had a close below the B level of the double top. That's why I have initiated a short position market order. And also I have placed the second sell limit order at Fibonacci 61.8% of the last decline, as you can see. Now the stop loss for this trade should be a bit above the tops here. That's why I have placed my stop loss at 98.90. Now, the dollar CAD, we have initiated a third short position, as you can see. So we have 9 lots short dollar CAD because of the bearish pattern we have seen in the morning, targeting, of course, well lower at 132.37. Also, we have entered long positions, 2 positions actually. The first was at this level and the second one was at this level. Is not doing well for the moment, and our stop loss was just below today's lows. Currently Aussie dollar is not doing well, and we have also opened a long position on New Zealand USD. As you can see, this pair didn't move at all for today, very narrow range, but this morning star gives me a technical indication that the day most probably will reverse to the upside. That's why I have entered a long position here, and also I have placed a buy limit order at the lows of the day for a second position. These 2 positions are targeting the level of 69.30, and our stop loss is at 68.80, which is a crucial pivotal level. Also, as you can see, we have placed a buy limit order for New Zealand, a second buy limit order here, and our stop loss for both trades is this one. Now, for dollar CHF, I have placed an additional, as I have mentioned before, sell limit order at approximately FIBO 61.8% retracement level, as I have shown you here, because I have observed a double top pattern, which is a bearish pattern, and here was completed to the downside. So I have entered immediately a sell position market, and I have placed my second sell order at the higher Bollinger Band, which matches with the FIBO 61.8% retracement level of the last downside move on dollar CHF. That's all for the moment. We will monitor the trades, and if we have any updates, we will update you accordingly, just for you to know. If we see a break above this level on Aussie dollar, then our stop loss will change. If we see a break below this level, the lows of the day on dollar CAD, again our stop loss will move lower. And if we see a break above this level on New Zealand USD, then our stop loss will also move lower. And the same for dollar CHF. A break below this low will confirm second time the double top. So again, I will move my stop loss lower. So that's all for the moment. I will transfer you now to Elif for an update on CFD indices, gold and metals.
Hello guys, welcome back to our nice trading session today afternoon. So we have no open positions right now. We have open position on, let me see, we have an open position on so we had some open position on gold. We made a small profit. We made overall today $3,000. It's a nice position. And I just opened a sell position on DAX. So guys, I went short on DAX and I will let it run because there is a very strong downtrend on DAX, on the indices in general. This is what I do, and I want to continue this trade and see what is happening over there on the indices, which is quite interesting. So on the other hand, Italy 40 is still moving. We have a small trade on Italy 40, which is still moving. France 40 and UK 100, I will not trade. On gold, there is a huge drop on gold, guys, a huge drop. And I'm thinking if I should go short over here. Let me see. We are on the lower Bollinger Band. I'm waiting to see if it's a bottom, and if it breaks below 1,250, I will go. Let me see. It looks quite interesting what we can do over here. It is again on a downtrend. Yes, I will go also short on gold. I'm selling gold, guys. I just sold gold, and let's see how it will react. So let's see on our other assets. On oil. Oil is very steady today, as you know. We talked this morning about it. A very stable trading range, not much volatility, not much possibilities to get in and get out from there. It looks not very interesting. So I thought today, since we haven't had the possibility until now to check our cryptocurrencies, if we should have a closer look at the cryptocurrencies. So we see that also the cryptocurrencies were trading this morning in a very slow trading range here in the Bitcoin, and then they had a strong drop. According to my technical analysis, Bitcoin should go up slowly. What do you think, guys? Should we buy a very small amount on Bitcoin to see? Yes. I think I will enter a very small position on Bitcoin, a very small one with one, not even one lot, one half lot, a half lot, and I will go long on. I will wait a bit more. I see on the 5-minute chart the price will drop. I will open a pending order. I will open a pending order on Bitcoin. Wait for me. New order. Here we go. There we will put a pending order. And we are planning. Let me see. This I will close. Come over here. My pending order on Bitcoin. So I will put a pending order, a buy limit, because I'm expecting the price to go up at 6,000. Let me see, at 6,060. At 6,060, it will go long. Let's put a pending order. I just put a pending order, and we see how it will happen. What will happen? Let's have a look also at Ethereum. It's a similar picture over here. Yeah, very, very similar picture, but let's see how it will react. This is what we do. Our DAX position is in profit. Our DAX position is already in profit, guys. Let me see here. We let it a bit more to run, and we let it to run. It seems a very strong downtrend on DAX, and we see how it will react. Yes, this is what we will do. Italy 40, as I said, it will start now a downtrend. We are short on Italy 40 since this morning, and now it will start its downtrend, and we see how we will react on it and close our positions. Gold had a very, very strong drop, and now it's struggling. I see. Guys, what have you been doing during the hours we were off? Did you manage to watch our webinars? We have 2 very, very helpful webinars. And let me see. Go oil, if I can do something on oil. No, nothing. Nothing. Italy 40, not much to get. Let's put here our DAX position. DAX is getting there. Very nice drop. Very nice drop on DAX, and it will continue. Very nice drop. We will make our money over here. I see that Kyriakos has some updates for you guys. I'm passing right now to Kyriakos to give you some updates.
Thank you very much, Elif. Basically, as you can see on my screen, just a moment to share my screen as well. So our sell limit order for dollar CHF was just triggered at 98.80. 98.80. We had the triggering. It was a triggering price of dollar CHF second short position. Now this is the FIBO 61.8% retracement level of the last move of the double top confirmed on the 15-minute chart. So now we are expecting a decline on dollar CHF. We also have one more pending order, buy limit, New Zealand USD is getting there. We want this decline to be reversed, and we believe that it will be reversed. Now, an update on the other positions. Dollar CAD, the last 15 minutes kept going up, but eventually now is dropping again. Our Aussie dollar trade has recovered above our second buy position, is now trading above it. We will see what happens by the end of the session. The Kiwi is stabilizing there. Don't forget that we have a second buy limit order near the lows. I don't believe that these lows will be broken. And our dollar CHF, as I have mentioned before, we have shorted at FIBO 61.8% retracement level. That's a double top reversal pattern completed on the 15-minute chart. Now, we have traded very well today euro dollar, so we are not touching it again. We got our $4,160 in the morning from euro dollar and euro yen, so there is no point of chasing the markets behind. If I see a substantial correction, then I might rethink to enter long positions. Pound dollar, we didn't trade it at all, and the main reason is because it shows no volatility and indecision today, so I'm staying away from pound dollar. Euro pound, exactly the same. I mean, look at this price range. The whole day, only 20-25 pips price range. That's not what we want to trade. The same for dollar yen. I mean, 30 pips trading range for today, so no opportunities there. Another good opportunity was at Euro Aussie for long positions, but because I was long Euro dollar and Euro yen, I didn't want to put a third pair, a trade on long the euro. Basically, this will result in overexposure of my account, and I definitely didn't want that to happen. The same for pound yen. So tomorrow, guys, most probably we will have trades on Euro Aussie, pound yen, pound dollar, and any other trade that will come to my attention. Now, currently, we have 6 lots short dollar CHF. As you can see here, we have 9 lots short dollar CAD. These trades were placed, the 2 of them in the morning and the 1 in the afternoon. We have a buy position on the Kiwi. I believe that this base was tested too many times. You see that base on the 5-minute chart? Let me put it on the 15-minute chart. So it was tested how many times? It was not broken. So that's 1, 2, 3. You see this base here? So I perceive it as a very strong support level. So maybe the market will try it again and starts to go up. Maybe it's not. It continues to go up straight away. So I will give it a try to buy at the lower band of this trading range. I will give it a go, guys, for today. Plus, I have entered the long position here, and I have another buy limit order here. Now, Aussie dollar. This is the trade we have on Aussie dollar. We have 2 positions, long here and long here. Again, it's the same pattern as New Zealand USD. I don't believe that these lows will be broken, and that's why I have entered long positions here as well. So currently, the positions are doing okay. We will monitor them closely, and we will update you if we have any further additions or corrections regarding stop loss and take profit. Now, since I have mentioned stop losses, let me repeat once again my trading strategy. For dollar CAD, if I see a close below this level, below today's lows, then I will move my stop loss lower and I will update you, of course. For Aussie dollar, if I see a close above this intraday top, I will move my stop loss up. For the Kiwi, again, if I see a close above this intraday top, I will move my stop loss further upwards. For dollar CHF, if I see a close below this today's lows, then I will move my stop loss lower. Now we can see that again for too many times the FIBO 61.8 reacted very well, is currently at least reacting very well for the second trade of dollar CHF. However, we need to see also a decline in prices and a break below this level just for our probabilities to get this trade profitable to be increased. Okay, so that's all I have for the moment. As I repeat, I'm not touching other pairs. We have traded euro dollar and euro yen in the morning, making good money, a bit more than $4,000. Pound dollar is not attractive for me. It doesn't have any substantial movements. As you can see, it's more or less at the point where it had opened. Same for euro pound, very narrow trading ranges. We don't want that. Same for dollar yen, doesn't have a clear direction today. Euro Aussie, as I said in the morning, was a very attractive pair, but because we were overexposed on the euro with the euro dollar and the euro yen trade, I didn't want to take extra risks. And pound yen also made good movements today, but again, we were a bit aggressive on euro yen and euro dollar, and this limited our extra possibilities of placing more trades. So that's all for the moment I have for you, and I will keep you updated and posted if I have any changes regarding stop losses or any additional positions. All these, stay with us. We will type in the chat and we will come live again to talk to you if I have any further updates. Let's see one more again, the news for tomorrow. Don't forget to visit our partner site at forexlive.com just for the monitoring of the news. So let me refresh my page and check if we have any updates there. So for today, as I said in the morning, we don't have any important announcements. Let me refresh the page to see if we have any crucial updates. For the moment, no. We just have new home sales in approximately 50 minutes from now at 2 o'clock UTC time. They are not very important news, but they might cause some volatility in the market. And basically, that's all for today regarding the news announcements. In addition, don't forget to visit our website at trademy.com. Our exceptional educational support team is more than willing and welcome to assist you make the right decision and choose the best training program that fits your knowledge, your experience, your trading tactics, and it's a really great value for money program. I want to say once again, for a lot of times, that it doesn't necessarily have to be the most expensive training program. Maybe it's the cheapest training program that is available, that is best for you, because not all of us have the same level of knowledge, not all of us have the same trading tactics, and not all of us have the same skills and targets. So contact our educational support team for a free evaluation and identification of your needs, and they will recommend to you the best training program that is available and suits you personally. Also, if you would like, we can have a one-to-one session, a private session, either with me or with my colleague Elif, for examination of your trading strategies, analysis of bullish and bearish patterns on candles. We can design your checklists, we can design your money management strategy and risk management strategy together. We can do a lot of things for you guys in order to get you in the right path of being a professional Forex full-time or part-time trader. So that's all. Trademy.com is your key to a successful professional trading career. Trademy.com. Don't forget to visit our website and contact our educational support team. They are more than willing and always there for you to assist you choose the best training program that fits you. I'm transferring you now to Elif for an index. Elif, are you ready? Okay, excellent. Elif is always ready and always ready for war. So let's go with Elif.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thank you. So on our indices, let me see. We have a position open, a sell position on gold. We are making right now a small amount of money on gold. It's a bit struggling. I see that it's on a very strong support level right now, and accordingly we will react. We will see. According to my indicators, it looks like that it will continue to drop, but it is on a very strong support level right now at 1,266. That's why I'm looking on it like a hawk to react in case that we have any kind of movement in any direction, so we can take actions and don't harm our position. We had also a DAX position open. Let's zoom a bit in. This is too much in. So here it is. DAX has overall, if you see, a very strong downtrend right now. I'm looking in 10 minutes the American market to open, and as you know, once the American market open, some volatility might happen. So we will see how we react when the market opens, and we might close some of our positions. So Italy 40, since this morning we had a strong drop and we went short, and since then it is like struggling around. It will get there, it will get there. We will close our Italy 40 position, which is running since this morning and giving us a bit of difficult time. But I see also here a potential move down while the American opening. So I'm waiting also here for the American opening. New York to wake up. New York had to go. Wake up, New York, New York. To make us some nice ching-ching moments. We need some nice ching-ching moments. This morning we made a profit of $3,000 within one trading hour. It was nice, and we want to continue this move, but somehow the market needs to wake up, and we need to wait another 8 minutes to go ahead. So let's see how the American indices reacted this morning. During the morning, we don't see a big of movement here. We had a slow downtrend, not a clear one. It looks like that it's will continue to go down. S&P 500, the same picture. As you see, a very narrow trading range. It's so difficult in such a trading range to trade. It's like a bit on luck. That's what we don't like. That's why we didn't trade. We had also a position on Japan 225. We made a small profit of $100 and we closed the position. Now still not much movement on gold. Gold, yes, it's still on this very strong support level of 1,266. As you see, it's hitting all the time against it here, here, here. And then today, 3 times, it's the 3rd time now. If it breaks, we will have a strong movement down, but if it doesn't break, it will be a strong buy signal. If we are on a very crucial moment over here, once the market breaks this limit here, we go short. Another position we will open short. If not, let me see what's happening right now over there. Then we will go long again. Let me see. Okay, still some time to go. Still some time to go here. Let's get ready, or for whatever direction we have right now. Short position. What is happening on Bitcoin? We had a sell buy order. You see it didn't go triggered and the market moved upwards. Never mind, maybe our order will get triggered shortly. Ethereum the same. DAX, we have a small DAX position open. Currently, it's still at the entry price we entered. If somebody would like to join me, please feel free. It's still a good coin to enter. However, I have to say, you can follow all those trades for which we put right now on Twitter. Trademy A, it's our Twitter account. And I'm checking if we can do anything with gold. Nothing happens right now. It's stuck on this limit. It's stuck on this limit. It's going up and down on this limit. Seeing if we can react on something here. But this is a very nice movement of gold. This is a nice ranging movement. You see, we had a nice uptrend. Then it went down, up, down, and you see it's the same range here. And let's see if this will continue. It will aim this level over here. If it doesn't continue, it will go up here and aim this level here. So now we are very carefully, we are like a hawk to see if it starts to turn, to close our sell position, hopefully with a bit of profit, and maybe open another buy position here to get the move out of here. It's a very important level and we have to be on top of it like a hawk. This is what I do right now. Let's go back also to Italy 40 to see if we have any movements here. Nothing. Another 2 minutes to go for the New York Stock Exchange to open. Hopefully on this Monday morning we will have a move and some effect on the indices markets, on the gold. I see. Gold is dropping. Gold is dropping extremely, guys. As you can see, gold is dropping. Our sell position is going very well. We are making right now on our sell position $1,700. Let me see. Let me see. Aiming. I see I have still some potential here to keep the position open, and I will close the position once it turns back with a profit, so I can Yes, come on, babe. Come on, babe. Go down, go down. So I will close this position. The market is very, very very volatile right now, moving up. We can look at it on the 1 minute chart. You see some movements are going up and down. 5 minutes. You see how active the markets are right now. Before, there we go, there we go. This is the American market, the New York Stock Exchange just opened. Let me see how the markets are reacting right now to if any major reaction will happen on DAX or on gold. Let me see. Here we will put gold in the game on the picture on the 15th minute chart. Yeah, come on, come a bit down, come down. We are short on DAX. We are short on gold, and I see I might close right now the gold position. I see the indicator crossed already with a small profit. I would like to close it with a small profit. Come on, baby. And then open another position on gold to get this move up. Yes, yes, come on, baby. A bit more down, a bit more down. Yeah, come. I'm aiming just another 70 points to go down. It's not much for gold to drop 70 points, so we can close this position with kind of small profit. What is happening on gold? DAX is dropping. We are making on the DAX position right now $200. Let's see here on Italy 40. What's going on in Italy 40? Italy 40 is not moving today. It's really not moving. We have a sell position on Italy 40, but nothing happens over there. Going back to gold. Come on, I wanted to drop a bit more. Drop a bit more so we can close our position with some profits. The New York Stock Exchange opened 2 minutes ago. We saw a small effect on DAX, but not on gold and not on Italy 40. On DAX, we still stick on the downtrend. Currently, we are making on DAX $300. Gold, go back to gold. As I said before, gold is in a very, very important support level right now. And you see this tension very strongly. I'm expecting the price to move down. Let me see on DAX. Here on DAX, we still have money to go. We still have money to go on DAX here. We might close it in a short while. Our DAX position, very, very intensive moment. We have to be very careful what is happening. Our Italy 40 is reacting right now since this morning. Right now, Italy 40 gives us some movements, while DAX and gold are still not there. Yeah. It's still not there. We will get. We have to follow the markets very. We have to check the markets very extremely right now. I was expecting the American opening to give us a bit more movement, but I see nothing happen. Let's see on oil. Oil made a rally upwards. It's now traded at 69.40. It's traded quite high, guys. It's traded quite high. White gold and DAX and Italy 40, they are stuck in this level. They are stuck in this level, and I'm checking what I can do with those trades to make some profit. Guys, my strategy, I will change now my strategy once I go a bit more in profit. On gold, I will close the position. The support level is too strong. You see how many times it comes and tends to turn back. Right now, I see on the indicators. Let me go to the 15 minutes. The 15 minutes is still showing that it will go a bit up, but the half-hour chart shows that it has still a bit to go. Yeah, I will keep it a bit more to close my gold position with a bit profit, and once I close it, I will open another buy trend, buy position, because I'm expecting the price to hit here on this level and go up. This is what I'm expecting, and this is what I'm waiting for. DAX is moving slowly but secure towards 12,300. Gold is also dropping. What happened with our Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin didn't trigger our stop loss, our sell or buy order. Gold started to drop a. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Drop a bit more. I want a bit more out of this trade. Come on. It's a very strong support level, and this is what you can see. It's tend to go up and then it's dropping down. In one candle, you see this activity, this strong activity, and not clear in which direction it should move. You see these reactions going up, coming up, going down, coming up, going down, coming up. It's a very strong support level. This over here. This is where we entered, and we see accordingly we will react. We will react soon on it. Let's see what is. Okay, our DAX position shows still a downtrend. Italy 40. Italy 40 is not moving. Italy 40 is not moving today, so it doesn't really make us happy. I see you guys. Come on. I want my gold position to move so I can make a decision on gold. I want to make a decision on gold, but I don't see anything DAX, yeah, DAX is still going a bit in our direction, making currently $300 on it. Yes, guys, the expected effect on a Monday morning from the New York Stock Exchange didn't show up. So no reaction on this. I see I have a bit reaction. DAX is giving us, yes, DAX started to move. Right now we are making 460 bucks. Let me see, 406, 510 on DAX. And let me see also Italy 40 started to move a bit in our direction. Yes, this is what we like. We are short on DAX and Italy 40. Now it started to be a bit more interesting, guys. On gold, what's going on gold? Let me see. Or if we can do something on gold. No, but our Italy 40 and our DAX positions are giving us nice movements. Maybe I should start thinking about closing my gold sell position and going long. Let's see. Maybe it's time for me to react on it. Half an hour. Okay, I see. Guys, I will close my sell position on gold, just closed it, and I will wait and go long. I'm going now long on gold. I went long on gold because I'm expecting the price to go up here, I'm closing now my DAX position. No, I'm not closing it. It's dropping very nicely. I'm making right now $620 on DAX, and I will keep it. What's going on with Italy 40? Also, Italy 40 is very nice dropping. Yes, there we go. Now we start to get the move. America just woke up, guys. America just woke up. So America just woke up, and we are making some money. We start to make some money. This is good. On DAX and on Italy 40. Very nice. This is what we want. Yes, guys, this is what we want. And I will close shortly my DAX position with a profit of $500. And then we will have a nice chin-chin moment. Wait a minute. I'm waiting to get 500 bucks out of this trade, and then I will close it. I see that Kyriakos has some trades. I will pass now to Kyriakos because he's complaining that I'm talking too much.
Thank you very much, Liv. So basically a quick update. I have closed all positions on USD CAD, Aussie dollar, and Kiwi. The reason I have closed the position on dollar CAD is because I didn't like this upside move. So we have closed all positions, all 9 lots. Also, we have closed all positions on Aussie dollar. I don't like this decline. And the New Zealand, of course, we have also closed all our positions, and we have only stayed now with the 6 lots short dollar CHF. We are keeping these trades. We are closely monitoring them. The reason I have closed the positions is because they show me that they don't have the strength to follow the direction we want, especially dollar CAD. I didn't like this upside move, so I prefer to close it around here, limiting my losses. I don't need to wait until 133.20, so that's an exit strategy. I cut my losses short, and the same for Aussie dollar and New Zealand. I didn't like these declines, so why waiting to hit the stop loss? The trade is not going to our favor. That's why I have closed my positions. So I have only stayed with 2 positions of 3 lots each short dollar CHF. I'm monitoring the market. I definitely don't want to see the 1 minute again rebounding above this level. If I see that, then I would close these positions as well. But for the moment, dollar CHF is doing well. If I see a close below 98.64, I will drag my stop loss further down. And from this level, I will drag it around this level. It's doing well, so we keep it. Just a quick reminder what we have done today. Our morning session ended well, $4,000 plus profit on euro dollar, euro yen. Now we have suffered some losses around $1,000 on Aussie dollar, dollar CAD, and New Zealand USD trades, and we have now stayed only with the short positions on our dollar CHF, which still looks very promising to me. It's not a bad thing, guys, to cut your losses if you think, the market, for example, on dollar CAD made a rally. Why keeping the position and waiting for the stop loss to be hit? Remember that our stop loss was at 133.20. So why keeping this trade? Just let it go and continue. The same for Aussie dollar. I saw this decline, so why waiting for 20 more pips to hit my stop loss? Just close it and continue. The same logic is I have used with New Zealand USD. They didn't work out, just let them go and continue. I always let my profits run. That's why I have allowed myself to still be on dollar CHF short positions. We have 2 positions. One we placed it in the morning of 3 lots each, and the other one in the afternoon. So we have shorted dollar CHF 2 times, and our stop loss, remember that we have seen a double top reversal pattern here, a close well below it. That's why I have entered the short position here. And then the second short position was the FIBO 61.8% retracement level of the last downside move on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, one position is losing us some money, and the other one, the second position, is making us money. We will be closely monitoring that, and let me see if I have any further trading opportunities for you guys. You see what dollar CAD did, amazing, so that's why we gave up on that. Now, the Aussie dollar is going down. We are not interested on Aussie dollar anymore. Euro dollar, euro yen, not touching it. Pound dollar, okay, euro pound, not interesting. Dollar yen, our dollar yen, let me see, looks promising. Okay, let's analyze dollar yen. Maybe there is a good short opportunity there. It has rebounded, now it's going down. Let me check dollar yen. Let me check on the daily as well. No, I never want to go short near a moving average, so forget dollar yen. Euros is climbing all the way. I need a good correction. Maybe tomorrow is a good time to trade Euros, but definitely not today, because already the move has been made, and as my policy, I never chase the markets. Pound yen looks very interesting. Okay, guys, we are going short pound yen. So I will go short 3 lots pound yen. I like what I see. So short, we just shorted 3 lots pound yen. One moment to check the levels, however. So it's 145.53. It looks very promising. And 145.61. $145.53 and 145.61. Just checking now my checklist. 61. Okay, we have good resistance levels at, okay, and our support levels 145. Let me see. 45.16, 45.24. Okay, let me check the 5-minute chart. 145.80. Yes, okay, 145.80 is our stop loss. It's a bit long. Let me see if I find any better one. 145.70. So 145.68 is my stop loss for the short position on pound yen. And my take profit will be 68 is my stop loss. My take profit will be 145.25. So 145.25 will be my take profit. I will give it a try, guys. So we have shorted pound yen. Our stop loss 145.68 and our take profit is 145.25. I think this is the last trade we would place today. It's a risky trade, but it worths the risk. So we will see what happens. We definitely don't want to break above these levels. We keep monitoring that. A very volatile pair, a very dangerous pair to trade. Always keep your stop losses tight on that. Because if it goes to the other direction, it's a very dangerous pair to trade, but we will give it a try since our technicals gave us a very good signal on that, and especially on the 1-hour chart. It has tried to go up and it has declined, so it looks really promising. So we have 3 trades for the moment running. We have just shorted pound yen at 145.45.6. And this is how we're doing. Let me put the 1-minute chart. We have shorted it here. I will be closely monitoring it. Our stop loss is at 145.68 and our take profit is at 145.25. If I see a close below this level, of course, I will move my stop loss lower. On the 1-minute chart I'm talking about, we definitely want to see a close below. Let me find the level. So a close below that level will drive my stop loss, of course, lower, limiting our risk. And remember that we still have 6 lots, 2 positions of 3 lots each, short dollar CHF. The one is making us some money, the other one is losing some money. We will figure out what we will do shortly. That's all from me for the moment. I repeat that we have just shorted again. We have shorted pound yen. That's why I will move this pound yen here. I will put the 1-minute chart. I don't want to see a close above this level on the 1-minute chart. I will closely, very closely monitor the trade. We are now watching live our trade on pound yen, our short position trade, and we will update you if we have any movement of stop losses or if we have some additional positions. For the moment, it looks very attractive. That's why I have shorted it. A very volatile pair, I repeat. And we need to say that in approximately 12 minutes, the new home sales month on month for the month of May will be announced for the US dollar, for the United States. So in approximately 5 minutes, at 2 o'clock p.m. UTC time, we will have this announcement. It seems that this announcement is not very important, but since it's the only announcement of a medium-term importance in the day, we expect to have some volatility. The expected figure is 0.667 millions versus 0.662 millions the previous month. Let's see if we get a better figure or a worse figure there. Definitely will cause some volatility on pound yen. We want this volatility to be on our side. That's the trade we are going for $564. In around 4 minutes, this news announcement will go out. So we are patiently monitoring now the pound yen trade, our last trade for the day, and we will see how it goes. We are looking on the 1 minute chart. We definitely, I repeat, don't want to see a close above this level. 1 minute chart, we don't want to close above 145.54. If we see that, then we are in a dangerous situation to hit stop loss, but so far so good. As I said, we are patiently waiting for the news announcements to come out. As I said, it's a medium-term importance, but since it is the only news announcement pending for the day, I suspect that this will have an impact and cause volatility in the markets. So we are monitoring the news always from forexlive.com. Just a moment to refresh the page and see what the figure came out. It's loading. Let us take a look on dollar CHF. It starts to go a bit up. Dollar yen goes a bit down. So we are patiently waiting now for the news announcements to come out at forexlive.com. So we are watching now live our last trade for the day. We have shorted pound yen. All right. Let's see how it behaves during the news announcement. Okay. It's coming out any minute now. One more minute, guys, for the announcement. We are patiently waiting for that. I believe, I repeat that since it is the only announcement for the day remaining, we expect it to have some impact and cause some volatility in the markets. Expectations say for a better than forecasted figure. the forecasted is at around 665,000. Previous month was at 662. Now the forecast is 665. New home sales for the United States coming out, so we're waiting for that to have an impact, especially on the pound yen. Let us check. Still no doubt. Any minute now, guys. 10 seconds. We see that we have an upside, a small upside reaction. Now it's more volatile. Pound yen is more volatile now. Dollar CHF starts to go down. Pound yen is still there, still holding. Let us see the figure, if it is worse or better than expected. It came out at 689, much better than expected and definitely higher than the previous month. So dollar CHF, although because of this dollar CHF doesn't move, I don't observe a strength on the currency pairs. The pound yen now starts to go a bit up. USD CAD, no. So we are sticking on dollar CHF and pound yen, guys. The news was of not so much important. It came better than expected, and you see now that pound yen is reacting to the upside. However, this reaction is a minor reaction. We will closely monitoring pound yen. We definitely don't want to see a close above this red line. And let me draw my Fibonacci level to see if I have another opportunity for a short position. Okay, I will try a second short position around 145.60, guys. I will risk that. So let me place a sell limit order because it might go up instantly and then drop. So 145.60, I will place a sell limit order 145.60. My stop loss will be at 68 and my TP will stay at 145.25. I will give it a try. Maybe it goes a spike up and then goes down. So let's place that. We have placed a sell limit order at GBP yen at 146.68, pip stop loss at 68 and our TP 145.25. So that we go with 6 lots. So that's the last order I have placed. Dollar CHF started to move towards our direction. Not big movements, guys. In the afternoon, we have done very well today in the Forex and the CFDs as well as a whole. In the morning, there were the big movements and we got them very well, more than $4,000 profits on dollar yen, on euro dollar and euro yen. Now we are monitoring the 1 minute chart of dollar CHF. It tried to go up a bit, now it's falling, but as you can see, the markets are stacked for the past few minutes. Let me check again the pound yen. Nothing moves for the past few minutes. Okay, I'm transferring you to a leaf. Maybe we have some more action there. Thank you.
Hey guys, indeed, we have here more action. The house selling numbers, they made the indices to move a bit. I'm making right now on DAX $915, on Italy 526, and the gold position which we opened 20 minutes ago, we are making right now $2,600 on those 3 positions. So I'm closing now. I will close now. Yes, hello Sebastian. Yes, now I'm closing. In few minutes, I'm closing my DAX position and my Italy 40 position because I see that they are very close to a reversal. But my gold position, I will keep up. I will keep my gold position to get a bit more. I'm aiming on this position much more than what is giving right now. So let's see on Italy 40. I have to check Italy 40 close. Yes, I'm closing now. Italy 40. I'm closing. Let's get it above 600 and I'm closing it. Okay, let's see. Going back to DAX, also DAX is giving me, come on guys, come on, I want a bit more, I want more. I get greedy guys, I get greedy, I want my money here. Oh, they will come down. I see it on my technical analysis. I see that there is a lot of space down. Like the movement will continue going down. That's why I keep them open. On my DAX and my Italy 40 position, I see it very clear that they will drop. They will continue to drop. That's why I'm keeping them open. Gold will go up and I will make some profits over there as well. So here we come close to our, yeah. There we go. So there we go. We are 800, okay, 880 bucks on Italy 40 and 1020 on DAX, guys. I'm going to close it in 2-3 minutes. I will close it and we will have a boom, boom, ching, ching moment. So let's go. We are close to it. And gold, we will leave over there. I'm expecting on gold to move up to the day's high over here and there where I put my take profit. All the positions will close over there. Oh guys, what's going on now? It turned a bit up, but we will get it. We will get it. So when the indicators are close to cross over, once they cross, I will close the position, because then this is a sign for me that the downtrend just finished. So let me see now. Now we are getting ready. We are getting ready to close our positions on the European indices, DAX and Italy 40. We will close it. Come on. I can't wait for it. It will. So what's going on here? What's going on here? Okay. Still some air to drop. Also here it will continue to drop. Yes, the house new home sales numbers, they brought some movement in our trades here on DAX and gold. I'm very patient. We have to be in this kind of trades. You have to be like a hawk on top of it, and react fast. And don't get greedy like I do right now. But I want it. And I know that I will get it. I will get it. There we go. It started again on Italy 40. Italy 40 is the first position which I will close now in the afternoon. I'm getting ready to close Italy 40 with some profit. Yes. It will get there. Let me see now oil. What is happening on oil? If something nice is going over there, we had a very strong uptrend on Friday. Today the trading range is very narrow, so I kept away from it. Let's go back to our indices. Guys, Italy 40, okay, it's okay. Italy 40, I'm closing now, guys. Oh, no. Guys, I'm closing Italy 40. I'm closing. Come on. I'm a bit greedy. I know it will go there. I know it on the indicators. All indicators are giving me the same sign, and I want to wait for it. But on the other hand, I'm not patient. I'm not patient. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, a bit more down, a bit more down, a bit more down. And we will get there. A bit more down and we will get there. Yes, you see, on every time frame, the indicators are showing me that there is still space for a downtrend. So why to close it when I know that it will go down, right? Why to close it when I know that it will go down? So I will wait a bit more, few minutes more. Be patient with me, and there we go. Be patient with me, guys, and we will make our profit. We will make it. Be patient with me. So gold, what's going on gold? Gold, okay, gold is not relevant right now. I'm right now on DAX and on Italy 40, and I'm getting there. Guys, I will close my Italy 40 position first. We closed Italy 40 with 644 bucks. Ching, ching. And now we are focusing on DAX. We are focusing on DAX, and I'm aiming on DAX a profit of at least $1,000. At least $1,000. I'm aiming on DAX. So go, go, baby. Yes, it will come there. I know it will drop. You see it. It's so crystal clear. It's crystal clear. It will drop. And it is dropping. We just need to be a bit patient with it, and we will get it. Come on. It's crystal clear. Also here on the 15 minutes charts, let's make it a bit bigger for you guys. Here you see it. It is on the lower Bollinger Band, the stochastic oscillator. The fast moving one is already above and has a down slope, so it will continue to drop. It will continue to drop, and I will close it with my profit. I don't go home without getting a profit on DAX on this position. I want this position. Okay, on Italy 40, we have made the correct decision to go out, because you see that the uptrend started on Italy 40. So over here, we made the correct decision to get out. But on DAX, I smell it, guys. I smell it. We will get some more money out of here. Let's come down a bit more, a bit more, a bit more, and we will get there. A bit more, and we are happy with it. Come on. Come on. And I will look also all the time. I'm having an eye also all the time on oil, because it's in a very high level. Oil is in a very high level currently, and I see a short trade might give us a short trade soon. That's why throughout the day I have always an eye on oil. It's it is in a quite high level. That's why throughout the day, be also aware of oil. And come on, guys, come on. I want this trade to close with 1,000 euros profit. It will. It will. You see it here, guys. Let's have a look again on it so you can confirm it. By the way, gold is again aiming our level. As I said, I'm expecting gold to reach at least 1,269. This is my aim. At least this level will be reached soon. And I have 3 positions open. And when this level will be reached, my take profit is very close. And when these all positions are closing together, my profit will be around 15K on these 3 trades. Let me see. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So let's see together DAX and then we decide. We check on the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes chart. Okay. On the 1 minute chart. Okay. I see it started to turn back. I see that the trend is close to reverse. What I do with this situation, I'll close it in with, okay. Come on, 700. I want at least 700. I dropped my expectations. And there we go. 719, 726, 719. Guys, I'm getting greedy. Before I'm getting greedy, I will close it, take my money and go home and be happy. I'm closing it. Ching, ching. I closed it with $733 on DAX. Now I'm left with 3 positions open on gold. And let's keep an eye on them while Kyriakos is giving you a short update about his Forex position. Thank you, guys. Ching, ching.
Thank you very much, Elif. So, guys, we have basically squared all our positions. Today, as I have written in the chat, I have just closed also my dollar CHF positions as well. A very good day for us in the morning and in the afternoon. These are our profitable trades. For the day, we are plus $4,500. Not bad for one trading day in Forex. You can see here that I have closed my positions on pound yen with a small profit. I have also closed my positions on dollar CHF with a small profit, but the real money were in the morning session on euro yen and euro dollar. Besides this, we have managed to make an additional around $600 in the afternoon session. So for the day is not bad. I wish every day is like this. We have made $4,500 from Forex today. So I just wanted to give you an update. I'm squared, I'm out, I'm happy, and tomorrow is a new trading day. From me, I would like to wish you a nice afternoon. Don't forget that our next live trading room session will start at 8 o'clock in the morning UTC time. I want to repeat myself again so that you understand that Trademy offers value for money courses. You can, of course, visit our website at trademy.com. Our support team will be more than welcome to evaluate your trading skills, experience, and needs, and recommend to you the best training program value for money that you can get. I will repeat myself again. It doesn't have to be the most expensive one. It doesn't have to be the most cheapest one. It all depends on your trading tactics, your needs, your level of experience. Make sure you contact them, and I'm sure and confident that they will provide you with the best solution if you want to start a professional trading career. So from me, I would like to thank you for your participation. A very good day, I repeat today, $4,500 profits on Forex. I have squared my positions, and I would like to wish you all to have a nice day ahead, and I will see you all tomorrow, of course, with my colleague Elif at 8 o'clock in the morning UTC time. So from the Forex trading desk of Trademy and Kyriakos Charilaou, have a nice evening ahead. Elif, do you want? I will transfer you now to Elif. Thank you very much for participation.
Guys, also from my side, we have a great trading day with a total profit of $4,600. Very nice trading day. Right now we have 3 open positions on gold. I keep them open because I'm expecting gold to go up. You see it on the indicators quite clear that the price will continue to go up. Right now it's on the moving average on a very on the middle Bollinger Band. That's why it will take a few minutes and then it will continue to go up. If we have a look on our DAX position, which we closed a few minutes ago, the drops, they started to be a bit slowed down, so it was a good decision to exit the market, and also the same is valid for Italy 40. It was a good decision to exit the market. Now our eyes are on gold, and we will catch up this loss over here in a short while, and it will continue. Thanks a lot for being with us and trading with us, guys. See you tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock UTC time here with me and Kyriakos. About these trades, we will inform you on Twitter, Trademy A. Please follow us. Also, the videos will be available on YouTube once, in case that you didn't have the chance to watch our entry levels and see why we decide to open this trade. So that's all from me for today. We had a great trading day. We have still 3 positions open on gold, and I will see you tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock UTC time. So until then, have a nice day and wish you a nice afternoon. Bye bye, guys.